Hey folks, it's Chris Harry with Guarantee RV. Thanks for giving me a moment of your time. I wanted to share with you a great little starter coach. It's a 2009 Coachmen Freelander. It's 28 foot, which allows you to get into pretty much any RV park in the country. Come take a look on the inside. I want to show you some great features in here. Now as you come inside, you're going to notice that there's lots of room inside here. Great for gathering, tailgates, football games, or just having people over. You've got a nice overhead bed here. You can put 2 people up here, or you can put 4 kids up here. You've got a dinette booth for eating and drinking, and also this also pulls up and folds down to a sleeper also. So you can sleep 2 up here, 2 down here. You have a sleeper sofa couch. This pulls out. You can put 2 more people here also. It's also great for relaxing, entertaining again. That's what we want to do when you're out on the road. You have a microwave here. You can heat up burritos, heat up pizza, whatever you want to do. You also have a 3-burner top, also with a stove. You come right over here while you're cooking. You can also do your dishes here. Great thing about this, my wife loves these. You've got dual sinks in here. And as you come this way, you have your refrigerator. Lots of space inside here. Your freezer, lots of space inside here for meat and stuff. You have all your control panels here. Easy access where you're coming inside. You can just get right here. One of the things I like about this control panel is you can start your generator from right here. So let's say you're going down the road and you do want to heat something up in the microwave. You just sit here, push the button, start the generator right up, and then you're able to use your microwave. I'll come right back through here. You have a full bed back here. Lots of room on both sides of the bedroom so you can get in. So one of the things I like about this Coachman here is that the bathroom is separated from the shower. So if I want to go in here and shower in the morning and she needs to go in here and brush her teeth, we can do that, you know. Lots of space inside this shower. I'm 6 foot, 230, and I fit in here perfect and can turn around. That's what you want in a shower. One of the benefits about this bathroom over here is you've got lots of leg room. So when you are using the restroom, you do have that leg room, nice sink, nice mirror to get water, and you also have places where you can hang your towels up. Oh, and the great closet here for hanging up clothes that you want to hang up. Also spaces down here for your shoes. Hey, let's take a look at the cab area real quick. One of the things that I really like about this, there's not a huge step down. So you just walk right on into this. A lot of the other ones, there's a huge step down and you can fall and get hurt. These are nice, easy to transition. This is on a Ford chassis. It does come with a CD player, you know, standard air conditioning. It's a great unit. Hey folks, here we are on the back side of the coach. This slide out here is what gives you the room to have the full queen size bed in here. This ladder gives you access to the top. You always want to get on the top and check it probably about 2 times a year. Make sure it's clean and make sure your sills are straight. Right back here, you have pass-through storage. Lots of space back here. You can put golf clubs, fishing poles. You've got a wet box here where you could actually put ice inside there. It's got a drain on it, and you can put your cold drinks and stuff right inside there. That way you don't have to keep going inside and out. It's great for kids. You put your Capri Suns and your juices in there. Keeps the kids from running in and out. Also, you have access to that over here, which is great. You always want to have multiple accesses, but as you can see, you can also come right in here. This is another wet storage place here. It has this drain right here. Again, you can use this for wet shoes when you get done fishing, hunting, hiking, wet clothes. You can also, like I said, put ice in there and it becomes an ice chest. You know, and then you don't have the kids running in and out. And if you're tailgating, that's great for keeping people outside if you want it to be private or if someone's inside sleeping. You do have an outside awning out here, which is great for when it starts raining. And Lord knows when we go camping, we don't want it to rain. But if it does, you have that awning to protect you. We've got more storage here for putting extra stuff, extra clothes, extra fishing poles. It's just great. Hey, as we finish up here, guys, it's Chris Harry again with Guarantee RV. If you have a problem getting financed and you've been turned down, come see me. We work hard. We have a great finance program, and we'll make it happen. That's our guarantee. My number is 541-729-0982. Again, this is the 2009 Coachmen Freelander. Great little starter coach. We'll sleep up to 8 people. Thanks and have a great day.